So today I'm gonna be comparing these TPOB plays and these corded WAHL Seniors. Now, I did a little video before, and these TPOB plays clearly beat these WAHL Seniors, even though these Seniors are like 6 months old, which is why they're so loud. And then we'll see if these are able to keep up after 6 months. But this clipper I've had for about 2 years, so we're gonna put it to the test with this one. So I'm gonna go with these first. Quiet. And I'm gonna try these out. Low setting, quiet. High setting, a little louder. Now I'm gonna compare them together. So I'm gonna have to say on this one, these corded Seniors definitely beat them. They're quieter than the TPOB plays.